guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this today's video I'll be sharing with you guys beginners makeup kit for like if you are a college going girl and if you want to buy some makeup or office going girl and if you are new into makeup, so this will help you a lot. And plus it's very affordable, it's under 500 rupees. So I hope you will like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe in, it will means a lot to me. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. So without wasting any time, let's get start with this video. सबसे पहले बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कोई भी मॉइस्चराइजर यूज करना. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस EP Soft का AC1 मॉइस्चराइजर विच हैज सनस्क्रीन इन इट. सो इफ इन केस अगर आपको कोई सस्ता सा या फिर टिकाऊ मॉइस्चराइजर चाहिए, यू कैन यूज Pond's as well as what you say Nivea one. But my doctor suggested me to use this because I have a very acne prone skin, oily skin. So for this I'm using this one, EP Soft AC, and all the things that you want that I use in this product will be down in the description box below. If you want, you can check it out. Okay, so the next step is primer. So I am using this Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. It blurs your skin and it helps to control your redness. Basically it's for your T-zone area जहाँ पर आपको ज़्यादा ही pimples और ज़्यादा ही large open pores रहते हैं. And if you are using primer, daily use aloe vera gel instead of using any primer. So I'm using this primer here. forgot this step. This is the sunscreen. So if you're not using any moisturizer जिसके अंदर some sunscreen ना हो, so you can use this Pond's sun protection sunscreen. This is for non-oily skin and this is just for ₹99. So if you want, you can try this one out. The next step is BB cream or foundation, whatever you want. So अगर मैं BB cream की बात करूँ, I have a bunch of BB cream. This is one is Garnier one. This is for rupees I guess 99. And this one is Lakme one. This is for rupees 299. And this one is Pond's BB cream. I guess this is for rupees 145. And if you want to use any kind of foundation, you can use this Olivia one. So this is for rupees, I cannot see the price. This is around 150 or 120, not more than that. But you can also use Lakme one. I haven't used Lakme one for a long time now, but I see my friends using this one, Lakme one. So if you want, you can switch that one as well. But for the sake of this video, I'm using this Pond's BB cream and I'm in the shade Original. I'm just taking a tiny bit of amount. If you want, you can use any kind of brush as well, but I found it very useful for using sponge. And I'm just dabbing it. Concealer, I'm using this Maybelline one, Maybelline Fit Me one. So Maybelline के mostly products जो है वो drug store के रहते हैं, which is very nice to use as well. So I'm using this one. For loose powder, for compact powder, I'm using this Lakme one. This is the kind of a loose powder which has rose gold and sunscreen in it. But if you want, you can use the Lakme compact powder as well, and if you want to go in a higher budget little bit, so you can use the Maybelline Fit Me one.
eyeshadow I'm using this Swiss Beauty का palette जिसका नाम मुझे अभी दिख नहीं रहा है. So it has very beautiful kind of shimmery and normal shade that you can use, and इसकी price is not more than 150 I guess. So these are the one. Obviously market में बहुत सारे मिलते हैं around like 400, 500, 300, 200 के budget में भी, but this one is like 150 bucks, 150 or 200 I guess. But इसका जो powdery form है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा, it doesn't fall out, so it is highly recommend you guys. You can find it on Amazon as well.
Brush I'm using this brand, I don't know, Naked 3. I just got gift this brand, मुझे कोई PR package में मिला था, I don't remember, so I'm just using this one. Okay, so for eyeliner I'm using this L18 one, but मैं liner ज़्यादा लगाती नहीं हूँ, but if you want you can use Lakme as well. So ये मेरे पास बहुत पुराना पड़ा था, so I'm using this one. But ये मोस्टली मैंने आज एक वीडियो शूट किया और ये ऑलरेडी ख़त्म हो चुका है, सो आई कैन नॉट यूज़ दिस वन. बट और एक है मेरे पास शुगर का, बट फॉर द सेक ऑफ दिस वीडियो वी आर डूइंग जस्ट रुपीज़ वेरी मिनिमल अफोर्डेबल मेकअप किट फॉर बिगनर्स और फॉर टीनेजर्स. सो this one is for rupees like 120 or 110. If you want you can use Lakme one which has very beautiful color shade. Okay, so for brows whatever I'm using this pencil. Usually जो मैं है वो L'Oreal का kit use करती हूँ, which is for rupees 1000 I guess, 1000 or something 800 या 900 bucks. But अब ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा, अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा बजट है you can use this L'Oreal one. This is very great, but I'm using this pencil and I'm just drawing this one. Time for mascara, so I'm using this Maybelline Colossal mascara, which is a very good one. I don't think as a beginner you might need a kind of any false eyelashes. So अगर इसको look देना है, so you can just coat it for 2 or 3 times, वैसा look आ जाएगा. Okay. So next step is blush. So this is the one that I currently use. This is from Sugar, small mini one in the shade Contour D4 Salmon Superstar. But if you don't have any kind of blush, what you can do, you can take any lipstick. So I'm using the Nykaa one, just applying it a little bit. Before I begin with something else, I'm just moisturizing my lip using this Nivea lip balm. So for lips, for lipsticks, I have a bunch of like some kind of lip shade. So for starting with my first favorite one, I think you have seen most of the videos. I just literally love this L'Oreal Paris one, which is the like in the shade 105 I Rule, and I have one more 10 something which is in the name of I Choose. So it's okay, so it's a very beautiful shade, you can see. So one is this, second one in the shade 115 I Am Worth It in the red one. And then I have this one is for around 300 or 400 kind of. This is in the shade, this is the Color Stay 7 Heaven Color Stay, which has I think this is the lip gloss and this one is for lipstick. I haven't used it yet. Like I have used it once only. Let's see. It's also nice. You can see the color. Plus it has a lip gloss as well. I haven't used it, but it's nice. Then I have Nykaa in the shade I think मैंने इसका shade card निकाल दिया है, but I will search and I will. This is the mini one. This is the nude one. Then I have Nykaa nude, naughty nude. This one is nice. Actually ये मैंने अपने कलीग के पास देखा था, उसके बाद ही मैंने देखकर ऑर्डर किया है. At last I have this L'Oreal in the shade Maple Mocha, which is almost over, but this one is very nice. You can see proper nude and brownish shade. So for today I will use this color Stay, because let's see. Nice. इसका मुझे एक ही ड्रॉबैक लग रहा है कि मुझे इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस जो है वो इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आई. सो टू टॉप इट अप आई एम यूजिंग दिस L'Oreal I Choose I Rule. Okay, to set it up, I am using this setting spray from Swiss Beauty Makeup Natural Fixer. It has aloe vera and vitamin E in it, so I'm just using it. So it will set all the makeup. So for highlight, okay, so at the last जो भी step है वो है highlighter. आई नो बहुत सारे लोगों को हाईलाइटर बहुत पसंद है, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई डोंट लाइक हाईलाइटर एट ऑल. सो मेरे पास 2-3 ही हाईलाइटर है. तो इस स्विस ब्यूटी का एक हाईलाइटर है मेरे पास, विच हैज़ दिस 4 काइंड ऑफ शेड, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्रश आई एम यूजिंग इट. सो आई थिंक आई शुड यूज दिस white one. Just applying it on my nose. जहाँ जहाँ हाईलाइट करना है यू हैव टू जस्ट अप्लाई इट ओवर देयर, एंड आफ्टर दैट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर यू जस्ट हैव टू ब्लेंड इट. दिस इज द फाइनल लुक. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video useful, so please do share it with your friends, family, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe karo, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.